The size of the compact impact is very nice. You can fit it in pretty much anywhere where you want to go, and it has enough power to break pretty much anything loose.
Size-wise, you can get in smaller suspension part areas where no impact would ever be able to get in, where you'd have to use hand tools. It's great. I mean, saves tons of time and breaks bolts loose.
You're not really compromising any power with how small it is, that's for sure. It'll take off rusty bolts, bigger bolts, no problem.
The torque on this new impact is very impressive. We haven't run into any issues going into new concrete, old concrete, plenty of torque for what we needed to do.
The light is awesome. You can be under a truck looking for something, just hit the switch and it'll light it up instantly.
The new light definitely helps eliminate all shadows. You can see everything.
The lights on the front are helpful because you don't have to struggle trying to break something loose while you're holding a flashlight in the other hand.
The compact impact has more torque, very good size. The weight is distributed very well, doesn't fatigue your arm at all.
It's so much faster than a regular ratchet. Couldn't ask for a better impact.